okay, something I want to say for this event, because I feel it when I watch it, is the audience. It's like the first time they are here to watch a beatbox battle, and we feel it, right? That it's more difficult to keep the attention of the audience when he's not a beatboxer. So directly I feel it, but it's possible. I mean, and JULARD and DMN'BASS don't really, for me, try to take the audience. They really just do the routine. I know it's hard, but for me, if you agree with that, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't see this point, but I think you're partially right. Like that could be something they can improve, like for example, to be more accessible to larger audience. So I totally agree. Like it's really powerful. Their beatbox are really powerful. They are like even in terms of power, I think. For me, what makes the difference why JULARD wants this one is because he shows more variations in his beatbox. He can show power, but can also show chill moments, more chill moments, I would say.
Absolutely. Just want to say for the point of the audience, but it's for me JULARD for the first is our second, so it's more easy because the second round of DMN'BASS was really nice because he tried to do some powerful sound with a and it's a good counter versus JULARD, but the problem is because JULARD has a second round and it's like no chance. If you maybe change the rounds, can be more interesting with DMN'BASS if he can finish but so JULARD was pretty lucky for that. It was more easy to answer in his style because it's the power of JULARD, so it's always easier to finish and when it's in your style.
You think? But do you think it's a major advantage to be second?
But depends of what do the beatboxer. Yeah, generally how to say in English, but for general, it's better. But because DMN'BASS try to do some powerful sound versus JULARD, no chance. You know, like it's complicated. It's like if you try to do some fast beat before me, and I will have another round, it's gonna be more easy for me. After, but. Definitely the second round of DMN'BASS was better. The first, not really. It was super long. The intro takes time. I think you really need to lyrics too. JULARD too, but they need lyrics for the audience, for speaking to the audience.
To connect more with the audience. More to connect.
So the first round of DMN'BASS was feel like it was a freestyle, to be honest. More than the second. I feel that like a freestyle, but the second round was really much better. But because JULARD has a second round too, with the structure, the perfect structure of JULARD, the ideas, it's 3-0 for me too.
I agree. So if we sum up, we try to sum up like the key points, I would say. It's DMN'BASS lost against JULARD because of his battle strategy. Like the choice of going full power against JULARD may have been better to go on another field. I agree.
Or saying something, you know, if you want to answer to the beatboxer or counter, say it maybe, or like what you do, like something like this, and you do the technique. But you say something. If you don't say something, it's like, okay, so you try to win with this power, but after it's JULARD. So, it's important to say something, I think.
And also, I think the point is to connect more with the audience, because here we cannot see any interaction with the audience. Or few.
And probably it's going to be, we will see another battle, and it's going to be interesting if some beatboxer can... really take the audience. We will see. But for this battle, not really, right? They just want to just do some round and just want to just want to battle, and
I have something also to mention. Maybe it's because I know drum and bass for several years now. He has a lot of ideas, very good ideas, very powerful, but maybe he can improve the cohesion between the ideas. Sometimes he puts very lot of ideas, maybe less, sometimes he's better. We will see. You can try, I think, drum and bass to maybe have fewer ideas but coherent between them. This will be my advice, I would say. Do you agree?
Yes, and definitely more lyrics. And,
lyrics. Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. So that was our analysis of the first quarterfinal. If you want to watch the whole video analysis, it will be on our YouTube channel, Lyrebird Beatbox. And if you want to watch the battle replay, it's on OneUp Beatbox Battle channel.
Yes.
Let us know in the comments if you agree with us or not, or if you want to see, if you want to discuss about other details. But be constructive, please, by explaining your points. We don't pretend to have the absolute truth. It's just our opinion. That's it.
Absolutely.
Yeah. See you for the next battle.
Yeah, bye-bye. Ciao.
Weź.